Hello class 5. Today I am going to start with another new chapter from geography, and the name of this chapter is Staying Connected. You will get this chapter in the page number 136. So please take out your book and turn to page number 136. So the topic is communication. As you know that we are going to learn about the chapter. The name of the chapter is Staying Connected. So how we can stay connected with others. That is the agenda of the topic. So now first we are learning about the communication. So what is the meaning of communication? First we are going to learn. See, the first point I have written, to be in touch with others. To be in touch with others means that all these are all forms of communication. How? That means communication means to be in touch with others. That you know, when communication means to be in touch with others, through what? So the second point is through speaking. Suppose like when we are talking, when we are chatting with each other, when we are writing letters, okay, when we are sending the emails through writing. Suppose like reading means when we are getting the letters, we are getting the that means news from others. And traveling means we go from one place to another and we are getting communicated. Okay, so that means communication means to be in touch with others. The first point, to be in touch with others. Then through what? Through speaking, writing, reading or traveling. Number 3, we communicate through technology. Nowadays what happened, you know it very much that we are able to communicate easily and obviously quickly, that means rapidly nowadays. Because of what? Because of this technology. Suppose like if I want to send one news to my uncle who is living in America. So I'm not writing letters to him, okay, because it is time consuming. So what I will do, instead of letter writing, I will call him, or I will be giving one email, or I will chat through WhatsApp or something, through social media also. So this means we communicate through technology. That means nowadays it is very important. We get connected. We got connected with the help of the technology. Okay. Now, the last point I have written, it makes the world seem small. Obviously, that it makes the world seem small as the time taken to send and receive information is very, very short. Just I have told you, suppose my uncle is in Mumbai, so I have to give one information to him. So earlier what people used to do, people used to go to the place, or people used to write a letter, and it will obviously it was very time consuming. So nowadays through the help of the technology, what we are doing, we are sending the letters through email or sending making call. So obviously it is not time consuming. It is that means it helps to what to say, that we are saving time because of this technology, and because of saving time we are making our world very smaller. Clear? So that is why these are the points of communication. So you can see through the board that I have written these 4 points, and with the help of these 4 points you can write the definition of technology. So once again I am telling, the first one, to be in touch with others. That means if the question will come that what is the meaning of communication, obviously to be in touch with others through what? Through speaking, writing, reading or traveling. And nowadays what happened, we communicate through technology because it is very much important for us. It makes our world smaller, because it's not very time consuming, and we communicate through technology because it is very easier and quicker. Okay. Why do we communicate? So we know about what is the communication. Now we are going to learn about that. Why do we communicate? That means what is the reason behind this communication? So there are some few points that I have written on the board. You can see: to stay in touch, for trade, to understand, to convey news, as tourist, for meetings of national and international importance. So I am going to describe it vividly. Now the first one, why do we communicate? The first reason, that is to stay in touch. In communication, when I was explaining about the meaning of communication, that time also I have told you that communication means to be in touch with others. Suppose like I am staying here, my mother is staying in Gujarat. Okay, so I have to take her news and she also take my news as well. So at that time we knew that means that is the means of that is the thing of communication, that to stay in touch. If we stay we stay in touch with each other, that is called communication. Okay, so that is the main reason behind the communication, to stay in touch. Next one, to stay in touch with what? To stay in touch with, obviously, with family and friends. The second one, that is for trade. For trade means obviously for business purpose, buying and selling between two countries, two states, like that. For that reason also communicate is needed. Communication is needed. Okay. Number 3, to understand. To understand means what? To understand each other. Okay. Suppose like I am an Indian. If I go to Africa, so that time also we to an African, I have to communicate that person through what? Through language, through body language, through gesture, whatever it may be, through speaking, through writing. So communication is needed. So if we want to understand each other, for that reason communication is very much needed. Next one, that is to convey news. To convey news means what? To convey information. Information, suppose like I have one information to give to my friend. For that reason we need to communicate. Next one, that is as tourist. As tourist you can understand very much that as tourist to see new places. Okay, for that reason also we need to communicate. The last one, but not the least, that is for meetings of national and international importance. For national importance, for international importance means that for other places, that means for other countries. Okay, suppose India is having one meeting with France. Okay, that is international importance. Okay, and national importance means within the nation. So for meetings purpose we need to communicate. For that means communication is needed because of this also.